Students, we have already discussed about continent in part 1. In this video, we will discuss about oceans. What is ocean? I have already clear that large water body on the earth's surface are known as ocean. There are 5 oceans on the earth that are first Pacific Ocean, then Atlantic, Indian, Antarctic and Arctic Oceans. Okay students, now we will discuss about them separately. First, Pacific Ocean. All of you know Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean in the world, and it covers about 30% of the earth's surface, and it separates the two Americas from Asia and Australia. Now second, Atlantic Ocean. It is the world's second largest ocean, and there is an underwater mountain range on its ocean floor that is known as Mid-Atlantic Ridge. And third is Indian Ocean. Means Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean, and it's named after the country of India. And Indian Ocean is the home to many endangered sea creatures like turtle, seals, etc. Now, Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean is the fourth largest ocean in the world. It is located around the South Pole near Antarctica, and it is the coldest and wildest ocean in the world. Now next, the fifth, that is Arctic Ocean. It is the smallest ocean in the world, and it surrounds the Arctic. Means we can say it is located around the Arctic Circle. This continent is frozen throughout the year, and during summer the ice melts and it forms large iceberg and floating islands. Okay guys, now our lesson is completed, and this is our book exercise. That is, first, big land masses on the earth's surface are known as what is continent. Second, the journey of Ferdinand Magellan proved that earth is round. The third, Europe and Asia are together called Eurasia. Fourth, the two Americas are joined by, that is, Isthmus of Panama. And fifth, the Volga and the Danube are important river of Europe. Okay guys, the next is true false. First is Asia occupies 1/3 of total land area in the world. Answer is true. The second, Europe is famous for its Great Barrier Reef. The answer is false. The third, Africa is home to the Sahara Desert, which is largest hot desert in the world. What is the answer, beta? True. The fourth, North America is known as white continent. The answer is false. White continent is which continent? Antarctica. Okay. The fifth, the Arctic Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. False. The largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Okay guys, thank you. Our first chapter is completed.